Hello friends, myself Pratibha Rondal, Department of Chemistry. Today I am going to discuss about the introduction of free radicals. There are different reagents which are used in the formation of free radical. The most important reagent is tributene hydride. Tributene hydride is an organotin compound with the formula C4H9 thrice SN hydrogen. It is a colorless liquid that is soluble in organic solvents. The compound is used as a source of hydrogen atoms in the organic synthesis. The free radical reaction, in this reaction the formation of carbon-carbon bond is taking place, that means the addition to the carbon-carbon double bond. The addition of aliphatic free radicals to a carbon-carbon double bond has wide application. The reaction is started by the initiation process. Here the oxygen single bond oxygen is there. That reaction is performed in the heat. After that the bond between the oxygen it gets open. There is a formation of oxygen radical. After that radical is added to the CHBr3, then we get the CBr3 radical. Then here the propagation steps are started in presence of CBr3 reagent. That reagent carries the free radical. Then after that the tributene radical is added to the RX compound at the molecule. Then there is a formation of alkyl radical. That alkyl radical is reacted with the X compound, then there is a formation of the radical. Again that radical reacts with the tributene hydride, then we get the product. The following are the examples of radical addition to the carbon-carbon double bond with a variety of types of starting material, that all reactions are taking place in presence of peroxide. Then coupling of alkynes that taking place in presence of copper second complex catalyzes the coupling of acetylene and monosubstituted acetylenes to yield the dienes in the presence of a base such as the pyridine. The reaction probably takes place via one electron oxidation of the acetylene anion by the copper second ion, followed by the dimerization of the resulting acetylide radical. Here the reaction is taking place, here the coupling reaction of acetylene is taking place in the monosubstituted acetylene in presence of copper second ion. Then at the last step, here the dimerization takes place. That in the dimerization, that means two radicals are merged together, that means dimerized, and there is a formation of product. Here the synthesis of phenolgenic acid from the undesalinic acid, that reaction is performed in presence of copper first, and there is a formation of phenolgenic acid. Here acetylene condensation, here the aliphatic ester reacts with the molten sodium in a hot xylene to yield the disodium derivative of acetylene, which is converted into acetylene in presence of acetylene in presence of acid. That reaction is taking place in presence of sodium in presence of xylene. This is the formation of carbon oxygen bond. Here there is a variety of environments. Carbon hydrogen bond undergoes the oxidation on standing in air to give the hydroperoxide. This is the example that is taking place in presence of oxygen. There is a generation of that product. That isobutane can be transferred into the 1-butyl hydroperoxide reactions. Thank you.